Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today we're going to be working on the rear seat of the F250. Now, every other F250 that I've seen online has a flip-up rear seat, but this one doesn't. So there's a ton of storage underneath there, and I can just make something that slides from the front without having the tilt-up seat, but you lose a lot of depth there. I don't know if it's possible to make this flip up or not, but we're going to take a look and see if it's possible and if it's a modification we can make to be able to get the most out of our storage underneath the seat.
Hold on to hope, don't let go. Don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul. And time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told. And hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of old. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream. But please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores and brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few.
So we got it bolted in temporarily. I'm going to live with it for about a week to make sure that I like it the way it is before I weld it up. But here's how it works right now. Now if you want, you can just tilt the back, and this just gets the stuff behind the seat. But if you want, you can also tilt the whole thing up, and then you'll be able to get to the storage that's going to be underneath the seats that I'm going to build here. Now the downside to this is every time you do this, it pulls the seat belts through. For me, that's not an issue. First off, it's not hard to pull these back through, it's just inconvenient. Second off, I consider this tertiary. This will be the things that we use rarely, the rarest, and that we don't need to get too quick. So I have my primary will be stuff either that I use daily or that in case of emergency I need to get to quick, like a fire extinguisher. Secondary will be things that I use on a somewhat regular basis, but not often enough for it to be, within arm's reach. And then tertiary would be the things that I do not use unless it's an emergency, and it's also not something I need to get to quick. So, all right, well, now that, like I said, we'll live with this for a while. I've actually had an idea of how to make it to where I can tilt it this way or from the front, either one. I don't know if I'm going to make any modifications. Like I said, I'm going to live with it for about a week or two. Then if I like it, I'll weld it in and we'll go from there. Well, if you like this kind of video, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like this kind of video, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why or why not. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.